In this quick guide, we will walk you through the hotel hold booking feature on our platform. Then click on Hotel Now in the Type City here. Enter the city's name and select from the drop-down option. Then add the check-in day and check-out date by selecting the month and date. Once done, click on Search. Once the hotels appear, click on the Select Room. Now scroll down and select More Options, then refer to More Options. After this, check for the cancellation policy and essential information. Once checked, click on Book Now. Now, under Customer Details, enter mobile number, email address, then add the traveler's name and last name and click Continue. Now, under the Payment Mode, review the payment mode and the remarks, then click on Book Hotel Now. Review your booking, tick to confirm the package rates and terms and conditions, then click on Hold Reservation. Once done, do share your valued feedback with us and submit.